Hello everyone, make 5 sections out of your hairs and attach the hair strings to it. Now divide into 2 parts and start making the braids out of it and tie it with the help of a rubber band. Now take it all together and do it as shown in the video and it's all done. For the next one, take the front portion of your hair and make 3 sections out of it. Now take the middle section and then make the braids out of it and repeat the whole process as it is shown in the video. Make a cute little bow and then make the sections out of the ponytail and it's all done. For the next one in the video, take the front section of your hair and make it into 3 sections. Now make a ponytail. Now with the help of a bun maker, roll your hairs into the bun on the top and attach it and then put some accessories and it's all done. For the next one in the video, make 3 sections on the front side. Now take the remaining hairs and make 3 sections out of it and start braiding your hairs very nicely and gently and be sure to do it upside down. Now repeat the whole process as it is shown in the video. Do it very nicely and gently so that it will look great. Keep braiding your hairs until it will comes to the bottom. Once it will comes to the bottom, tie it with the help of a rubber band and then make the small sections out of the rubber band and it's all done. For the next one in the video, make a ponytail and then start rolling it all together by taking into 2 sections. Roll your hairs nicely and then make the cute little bun out of it. Put the accessories or the clutcher and it's all done. For the next one in the video, make a ponytail and divide into 2 sections. Now do it as shown in the video. Bring it all together and tie it with the help of a rubber band. Now take the remaining hairs, pull it inside out and attach it to the bun as it will look like this. Now take the clutcher, attach it and it's done. For this, take the front portion of your hair, braid it nicely. Now make a cute little bun out of it. Now braid your hairs on both the sides and tie it on the bun and then repeat the whole process and it's all done. Thanks for watching.